Okay, this is a video tutorial to "You're Gonna Live to See It Happen" by J.J. Hairston, Youthful Praise, and I believe David Wilford. It's in the key of E flat. The key of E flat is E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. Okay, but we're going to be using some what we call accidentals in there. So we're going to be using kind of the gospel. So we're going to be using a lot of F sharp, G flat, and even a lot of D flat as well. All right, which is almost like the D flat major scale, but we're based in E flat. Okay. All right. So kind of where to start. They do the part where all right. So what that is that's a C minor. So it's a couple of different ways. C, E flat, G is the basis of that. So you can break that up into two hands, kind of however you. All right. The next chord is gonna be it's actually an E flat with a D flat and a G in the bass. But you could also put the D flat, B flat, and F in the top. All right, so you're going from. All right. The next chord is gonna be A flat on the top. A flat is A flat, C, E flat. I'm doing it in this inversion on the bass. You're gonna give you're gonna do the G flat, C tritone. All right. So from the top, C minor. Okay. All right, to the A flat, and then we're gonna go to a G in the bass. G major chord is G, B, D, and we're gonna put the tritone of the F and the B in the bass. All right, and what I'm doing is walking it up. All right, so what that is you have this diminish, which is D, F, A flat, B. Walk it up a half step to E flat, G flat, A, C, and then go back to this diminished, except for in the next inversion, okay? So you have F, A flat, B, D, and then you have the last inversion, A flat, B, D, F. All right, so you put that together. Let me see. You're gonna live to see it happen. You're gonna live to see it happen. Notice that this is kind of a spider walk down here. All right. And then they go to, all right, what I'm doing is kind of as a pickup, B flat, C, B flat. And then you go to E flat, B flat, C, G flat, E flat. All right. All right, and you might want to double that up. All right, so just octaves on that. All right, and then what they go to from here is in the left hand. You have G and D flat. Then you go do that twice. Then you go to G flat C. All right, and then you go to E flat G D flat. All right, live, 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 live. All right, and what you're doing in the right hand is E flat chord, A flat chord, back to the E flat chord. All right, live, 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 live. All right. All right, and what they do is they do a lot of different basically the instruments are basically mimicking whatever they're doing. So one of the most live, 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 live. That's just E flat, G flat, G flat. And what I'm doing, I'm kind of moving off this G flat down to the G. All right, kind of gives it a my keyboard sucks. All right, B flat, C, E flat. I'm doing E flat, B flat, E flat up top. Oh. That's most of the song. They go, at the end they go to. All right, what that is that's basically F minor. So F in the bass to E flat, D, G, C, D, E, F, E flat, D, G, C, D, E. All right, in the top, you can do a F minor or throw some E flat in there. F minor is F, F, A flat, C. All right, throw some E flat in there. What I'm doing here is just kind of filling in the chord. On the left hand, I have E flat, F, G, and B flat. The right hand, I have D, F, and G. All right, so. Oh, I'm sorry. On the first chord, I threw in the A flat, and the B flat, the whole chord, and you can kind of trace out the melody. All right. All right. Left hand, you have G flat, C. Right hand, I have an F. I'm doing the melody. Keep that F. Move down, half step to F in B. All right, and then we're gonna victory. Keyboard's acting up again. All right, you're gonna go. What I'm doing is C, D, E in the bass, and just kind of tracing it with the E, E, F, G up top. And I might throw in that flat 7, the B flat. All right, this time I did A flat up here. other than that, it's just a bunch of just shout licks, really, honestly. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much.